Well, it's Sunday the 11th and I'm back here. It's been a little while. January 11th, 2026. I'm here to do this job. I should have everything I need here. These are the 3 new circuits. Basically, I installed 3 new circuits. Had to use GFIs because it's in the basement garage. Couldn't really record because the homeowner's down here. So I finished that job. I couldn't really record in there because the homeowner was there and she didn't really want me to record. But this is what I came back outside to. This wasn't here this morning, or when I got to work. In fact, I think I even took video when I got there. It wasn't like this. Well, I have a little job here. What? To try and erase a fob from a Dodge or Chrysler Town and Country. So I want to get my machine out and see what I can do. So this is a repo, and they want to erase the fob the guy did not give back. I'm going to see if I can do it. This is a 2011 Chrysler Town and Country. So I was able to do it. I had to basically say all keys lost and go through a process there. I erased all the keys, and I was able to reprogram this key, and the vehicle is running now. So I couldn't show the whole process because it's 19 degrees and I was trying to hurry.